Good afternoon. Welcome to our class today. Before we start the discussion, let us have a quick review first. Um, what is it all about? Yes, actually, it is about how we can display array, no, using the for loop. But did you know that there is another which we can create a table of numbers through the use of array, and that is called the multidimensional array. When we say multi-dimensional arrays, it is an array of arrays to create a two-dimensional array.